So basically, these are the granules from the gray roof. You see some of the granules from the pitched roof. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, yeah. This is sitting right on top. It's not good. And it's gonna just eventually go right through. Yeah, something needs to be under these. Now here in this section, again, if the roof wasn't in the condition it was, this would just be simply doing maintenance. You see that water can get right inside of this all the way around. All the pipes are pretty much like this. Here's another one. You can see that seam, see the cracks right there. Yeah. Again, that would if that were the only case, that would just be maintenance. Over here on the drip edge, look at this piece just sitting up there. You can literally pull that off with my hand. And it's sitting on top of the edge metal, and I'll zoom in here, yeah. And then this way you could see that, yeah, it's here's another section. It's all coming apart here, and I'll show you another section here in a minute. It's kind of zoomed in. So this is a seal all along. So look at this. Right here, it's all split down the entire seam. Water can get down in there eventually. If the seal breaks at the metal, then water is definitely going to be going in. Over here, this is just a look at the shingle, the glues falling apart. Shingle just slid off. I also wanted to show this again because this basically protects your roof from the UV rays of the sun, and the granules are washing off. Eventually, you'll get a leak, but that's just the condition of the roof. It's on its way out.